today for the Bitcoin price. And yes guys, what I am about to show you today is gonna blow your mind. This Bitcoin chart, and honestly I was surprised myself. I'm sitting here right now in my car driving to a restaurant, and like I opened the charts and I couldn't believe it myself. Let me jump straight into it. But before I'm doing so, please guys, I'd like to ask you for a second out of your day, go down below, like, comment and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, because these videos right now are so crucial, where I am sharing let me quickly go into it here, my 1.2 million US dollar trade on Bitcoin, for example. If you do not want to miss out on trades and calls like this, go down below, press subscribe and press this little bell icon. This is very, very important. Now let's go straight into the charts and let's see what are my next price targets for Bitcoin and what are my expectations for Bitcoin and crypto right now in the immediate short term. Well, let's jump straight into the charts. And what you can see here is, of course, once again, that Bitcoin recently, I mean, honestly, guys, we've been crushing it. We were actually trading all of these beautiful breakouts and going into the lower time frames. Actually, this is what I want to do with you today. We have some action coming up. This shows us, wow. I mean, we even broke out from this ascending triangle towards the upside. I have to say, quite honestly, we did not exactly hit the price target, but let me know if you traded this breakout and took some profits on the way higher. But this one here, now I would say either we missed the price target a little bit or it's invalidated. But listen guys, what we see, the support is still in place. And now it's interesting. What if this whole thing here is actually an upwards tilted bull flag? And I'm telling you, upwards tilted bull flags, I'm not a big fan of it, because they tend to perform less often good than downwards tilted ones. However, this is a legitimate bull flag. As long as Bitcoin, and now listen closely guys, I will talk about my price target as well. As long as Bitcoin holds this upward sloping support, we are in the bullish territory on the hourly and 4-hourly candles. As long as we are holding this support, this is important. If we break this support, I will take some profits. I will take some chips from the table here, most probably. Be careful and monitor this. With that being said though, let's see what the price target is. And you know the deal guys, I want to go conservative. I'm gonna take this price target instead of measuring it all the way here from the downside, because if you measure it from there, I'm gonna show it to you actually as well. But the conservative one, this is the way you draw it. And then we are actually having a price target of 23,100. Here, very important guys, this is not a certainty yet. This is nothing given. What we need is a break above the upward sloping resistance. And this one doesn't perform so well because it's upwards tilted, but we need the closure outside. We need volume support, and we need a break outside and the confirmation of the previous resistance, which is then hopefully turning into support. And then we are looking at 23,000 US dollars. Now the next one, guys, let me show you the not so conservative price target. Actually, let me quickly go back into the face mode. Before, by the way, this is James from Stock Guru. He's doing his own work. Before I'm going into it and I show you this not so conservative price target, I want to tell you, be very, very careful with these ones. Of course, we can make massive profits. I mean, honestly, guys, the trade I was opening recently here is raking in massive profits. Let me quickly go back here. It is raking in massive profits at approximately 11 Bitcoin in a profit. I mean, that is, we're talking about almost $250,000 US dollars. However, actually, by the way, if you want to be trading as well, in the pinned comment down below, you find this Bybit link. If you click register deposit, it basically takes like, I don't know, 10-15 seconds. You can measure it yourself. Click register and deposit. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get up to $30,000 in free bonus. You can use this free bonus alone to trade and withdraw the profits from this free bonus as well. However, even though this is like basically free money you can trade with, do it only as an experienced trader. If you are not, don't touch it at all. However, now I finally wanna reveal what I've been teasing for so long. And this is something else I forgot. If you go over on Twitter and you follow me at Mmcrypto, this is where I share exclusive content. I just shared an exclusive video, which I really want to urge you to watch. It's an unpleasant truth about Bitcoin, but more about that later when you check it out on Twitter. Now let's talk about this unconservative price target. But please keep the 23,000 in mind. Honestly, guys, I'm not a fan of these unconservative ones, but I know that we have some moonboys who want to hear it. This is one, be careful with it, right? 25,200. The only reason why I'm mentioning it, because I think this is not one for the short term. This is one for the longer term. Keep the 25,000 in mind. Let's go to the weekly and let's pull out the EMA ribbon. Because if we pull out the EMA ribbon, then you can see that this is actually in alignment with the top of the weekly ribbon. So at least we get some confluence here. But this is a weekly target, guys. Don't wait for 25,000 by tomorrow, the day after, or maybe even not next week. But 25,000 is definitely a price target I am keeping in the back of my head. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm gonna go to the restaurant now. If you wanna see what I'm gonna be eating, follow me on Instagram at Mmcrypto with the blue verification check mark, not the other ones. There are a lot of scammers out there and impersonators. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to see you very soon at the next one of Mmcrypto. And as always, guys, bye. Bye.